Excuse me. Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 17th to the 31st. We're looking here at the EPO by NCEP, and this refuses to bring the wave with any strong intensity into North America region. There was a slight chance that the wave could hold, and a period of cold and wintry weather will persist across the middle of the country and east straight through into February. However, the GFS forecast is going the distance, and the GFS weekly show the cold late month. Then we're going to look at the other teleconnections. Okay, the AO index, where can we get that AO? Okay, I don't have it up here. The AO continues to show signs of negative from mid to late January. Upper heights will rise across Scandinavia and move towards eastern Greenland and North America, which could lead to a weak negative NAO. And you can see it right here, the NAO, with some blocking. The PNA is finally trending towards positive, and this is enough for the upper high to build briefly over the Central Rockies. This supports a mean trough shifting eastward, which, according to the ensembles, is likely to happen during this period. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for getting that out of the way. That's a brief introduction, but like this is for the period for January 17th to 21st. And we're forecasting a zone of flow across the nation with upper, low, south of the Aleutians and Alaska, and above normal heights are forecast, and below normal heights forecast in the east, above normal heights in the west. So the models are good agreement. Now, within this flow, we have an amplified trough and frontal system will spread moderate swath of terrain-enhanced snow across the Great Basin and the Rockies on Friday. We go to Friday, and you can see the snow there. And Pacific systems will bring periods of rain and mountain snow to the northwest. The trough will continue to east into the east and northeast into the weekend and become negatively tilted as it reaches the northeast. So we'll go to the weekend, and then you can see that system that we're expecting to hit in the east. The low will deepen and track from the plains to the Midwest and New England, and this will lead to potential for significant snow from the upper Midwest into the interior Northeast with a wintry mix to the south. That's the GFS. Now, GFS shows a lot of snow with just rain across southern New Jersey and points south. Now we'll look at the European, and it has almost the same thing. We'll probably have snow here. This is the 540 line, and then a mixed precipitation across this region here, across much of New Jersey. The middle Mississippi Valley and the Ohio Valley will experience rain and could pose issues due to heavy rain that are experienced over the past week. And other areas of the south central plains northeastward could experience locally heavy rain, warm sector rainfall. We're going to look now at the period for January 22nd to 26th. Upper low is forecast over Alaska and a region in the west, and trough over the northeast. Models are good agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures here, forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for the southern plains, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation for this region here, probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Taking a look at the period for January 27th to the 31st, a nearly zonal flow will persist with below normal heights across the higher latitudes. You can see it here, above normal heights across Canada. And we have a trough in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here. I don't forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal, and then we have below normal temperatures here, forecast anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast with the probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 17th to 31st. Thanks for coming to Jim Unley's World of Weather, and have a good day.